Assalamu alaikum, and this video is basically related to the words and synonyms. These basically words and synonyms have been taken from the previous exams of Punjab Public Service Commission and Federal Public Service Commission. So PPSC and FPSC basically take exams for hiring candidates on scale of 17, 16 and posts. So in these examinations there is basically a separate portion of English in which candidates are asked about the vocabulary, about antonyms, synonyms and some sentence correction. So in order to have a good grip on this particular part of the exam, it is basically required to have a good vocabulary. So I have created this sheet on this Excel sheet on Google Drive, and I have basically written almost about 200 and something 231 words. So all these words have been taken from the previous papers, and these words usually get repeated in the next upcoming exams. So if one can go through these, and he can have a good grip on vocabulary. And if you want to add new, then you can basically get this sheet through the description. I will provide its link inside the description, and you can basically add new ones. So we will have a collection of synonyms and words and synonyms for exam. So it will be a good collection for us to go through. So in some, you can see that in some words I have written 2 to 3 synonyms as well. Just as you can see that pacific, peace, calmful, and especially here you can see strenuous, hard, difficult, tiresome, hazardous, grueling. So we will have a good collection, and it will help in the upcoming exams. So I will provide this link in the description. You can access this sheet from there, and you can basically add and edit this sheet. It is editable by everyone. I have also a copy of this sheet as well. So if due to any malfunctioning it gets disturbed, then I can basically correct it through my backup. So thank you very much for paying attention, and I continuously upload material related to the preparation of competitive exams. So if you are keen to appear in these exams, then you can subscribe to the channel, and I will share information consistently. So thank you very much for watching this video.